Hello everybody, hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day today. So today I am cooking some German smoked Frankfurters. I picked up some brioche baguettes, which I've not seen before. There's some St. Pierre ingredients there. With Gouda cheese or Gouda. So I'll probably use a bit of that. And, well, it's bacon, isn't it? Bacon, hot dogs, or Frankfurters should I say, and brioche baguette. Let's get it right. So, yeah, right, get it in the pan. So just going to add a bit of butter in there, as always. So I'm going to go with 4 because that's what I'm going with. Going with some bacon. 2. I might even go with 3. There you go, 3 bits of bacon. Okay. So hopefully they're just going to soak up a bit of that flavour. Oh yeah. I'm sure I've said before, I don't like eating hot dogs or Frankfurters when they've been boiled in water. Look at that! I don't believe it. They're pre-cut as well. Happy days. Liking a bit of that. Oh yeah. Oh. That's in the pan. Cool, yeah. There we go. I'll be toasting them there. In the pan. In the flavours. It's entirely up to you how you cook them. But yeah. Ooh. Look at that, it fits. But only just. Put one down the side there. Put 2 of them down the side there actually. There you go, just going to toast that off a little bit. Oh yeah. Give a better angle. Okay. Oh yeah. Looking good. Oh, yeah, that's just about cooked, that is. What sauce should we have today? Bit of chef, bit of tomato, bit of brown, bit of peri peri, campfire mayo. Oh, it's got a bit of peri peri in it. Oh, no. Yeah. Oh, look at them there. They look about cooked, don't they? Bacon's looking. Oh yeah. A bit to do with it more. Oh. Right. That's about ready, I think. Right, just gonna whack a bit of cheese in there. There we go. There we go. I think we're about done. Just need to fold them up, I think. Is it going to fold easily? Probably not. Right, I'll tell you what. Do you know what I might do actually? While I think about it. I don't know why I didn't think of that before really. I'm just going to move that over there. Like that. I'm going to put them hot dogs on that side. Like that. I'm going to take that whole thing there and I'm just going to flip it and stick it on top of there. Like that. And hopefully it's going to be the wrong way, isn't it? Of course it's the wrong way. There we go. This is the right way now. That is. So I've got it's there, it's done. I can cut it somehow. There we go. Oh, it tastes delicious. Just a bit of that. Let's get you somewhere where you can see. Oh. Wow. Oh. Is it everything you'd thought it would be? I mean, it's all in there, sort of staying together, sort of, but I think I'm going to enjoy this. Let's get you up a bit. There you go. So that looks better than what it did before. I've still got the light reflection from the window over there, but can't watch it sometimes, can you? You can try and block it out. So German Frankfurters and cheese and bacon. I'll try and rip it in half. Flavours are going to be it's going to be tasty, isn't it? Right then. Wow. If I can turn it and you can see it. So the cheese is melted in there. And oh yeah, looks lovely. Looking forward to that one as well. Right everyone, I'll see you later. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.